In this video, I'll be showing how I made this juicy, beautiful mini twists. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I just finished washing my hair. My hair is freshly washed, so I just want to make a twist out as a protective style instead of just carrying my hair like this to prevent more tangles. So I'm just going to be doing mini twists, like as mini as possible. We are going to be minimizing the twists. Anyways, I play too much. Let's just get right into the business. So I parted my hair into 4 sections. So I know it's not actually straight, really. No, but I know it's not straight, but I didn't really mind whether the line is straight or not. I just wanted to twist my hair and put it in a protective style. So yeah, this is how I twist my hair. First, I braid it from the roots. So when I braid it from the roots, then I twist it down, because if I don't braid it from the root and just twist from the roots, it's going to be like loosening up and stuff like that. And I made sure I applied conditioner after washing my hair. So I already applied conditioner before I started doing my hair, and I applied some oil to it, as you can see. So yeah, just making the twist, you know. Yeah, so as you can see, I have been noticing that I have retained length. So twists are very protective because it is low manipulation. It captures moisture into your hair. It retains length because it's minimized breakage, and when you minimize hair breakage, you retain more hair length. And it is very easy to unravel, that is to loosen. It is very easy to unravel. So I don't like making my twist too twisty, like you know, you twist the 2 strands, you know, after you twist each strand then you retwist. I don't like that because losing it to be so stressful, you get. And I feel like products don't penetrate into the hair if you over twist your hair that way. So if I twist it this way, just like a straight twist, products can dissolve into my hair easily, like my hair oils or my conditioner or my treatment, even when I wash my hair and everything. So I was applying oil to the tip of my head because that's the oldest part of your hair. So I'm just going to be braiding from the roots, as you can see. You braid not too tight. I release my hand when I'm braiding from the roots because I don't want tight hair. You know what I say about tight hair? Avoid making tight hair. Though it was not really neat, like I said, I just wanted something protective. If I'm all about the neatness, I can just pack my hair and probably put on a wig, but most likely I'm going to carry my hair like this. I don't even care. If you have been watching my videos or following up, or if you're watching it for the first time, gel actually makes my hair flaky and gives me itchy scalp, so I don't like applying it on my scalp or my hair strands because it leaves white flakes on my hair. There is no gel. In fact, all the gels leaves white flakes on the hair. No matter how they tell you this gel doesn't leave white flakes. I have bought like 3 gels. They said it doesn't leave white flakes. It ends up doing that at the end of the day, because maybe when you try to touch your hair or tap your hair, you see white flakes falling down. So they are all the same. It's just that some of them have minimal white flakes than the others. There are some that have so much white flakes, and the others they don't have like much white flakes like that. But in as much as I don't like gel on my hair, I edge my hair at the front, like I apply edge control if I'm going, and when I come back I wash it off, because if I sleep with it, it's going to give me like breakout on my forehead. So as you can see, I was getting tired here, to be honest, but don't just ignore my face. I was getting tired. Yeah, so let's not start rushing everything up. You can see it's not even like in a sink. I was just like I don't think I parted it with a comb or anything. I just used my hand to be parting my hair just to make it like that. Because at the end of the day, swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.